Intel Core i7 mini computers are compact, yet powerful devices that are perfect for those who need a high-performance computer without taking up too much space. There are many products available to choose Intel Core i7 mini computers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best Intel Core i7 mini computers from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Mini PC NAB6 Intel Core i7 12650H. The PC NAB6 Mini PC is a high-performance desktop computer designed for both home and business use. Powered by an Intel Core i7 12650H processor with 10 cores and 16 threads, this mini PC delivers excellent performance for tasks such as light gaming, streaming media playback, and photo editing. It features dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports, providing more connectivity options for applications like firewalls and file storage servers. With dual-band Wi-Fi 6 and BT5.2, you can enjoy a stable and smooth wireless network connection. The flexible upgrade options allow you to easily upgrade the memory and storage capacity. The mini PC also supports UD 4K quad-screen display, allowing you to connect up to 4 monitors for increased productivity. With its efficient cooling system, the PC NAB6 Mini PC ensures optimal performance without overheating. Number 2. Intel NUC 11 NUC 11 PA 716GB DDR4 RAM. Experience boundary-breaking performance and modern design with the Intel NUC 11 Mini PC. Powered by the 11th Gen Intel Core i7 165G7 CPU, this mini PC is small enough to take with you yet powerful enough to handle everyday tasks. The revolutionary Intel Iris Z GPU enhances your viewing experience, whether you're watching 4K UD shows or playing games. With 10 ports and slots, including Thunderbolt 3 and Intel Wi-Fi 6 support, connecting to any screen is a breeze. The mini PC also features 16GB DDR4 RAM, 512GB M.2 PCIe SSD, and comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro. Enjoy the convenience of a 3-year global warranty from Intel and Geek+. Number 3. Geekam Mini PC Mini IT 12th Gen Intel i7. Geekam Mini PC is a powerful and energy-efficient desktop computer that offers excellent performance for various purposes. Equipped with the latest 12th Gen Intel Core i7 12650H processor, this mini PC delivers exceptional processing power with 10 cores and 16 threads. It also features 32GB of high-speed DDR4 RAM and a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD for fast and efficient multitasking and storage. With support for 8K UD and 4 screens, you can enjoy stunning visuals and easily multitask between different applications. The built-in Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5G Ethernet ensure fast and reliable internet connectivity. The Geekam Mini PC comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro and offers excellent technical support and a 1-year limited warranty. Number 4. Camar CK1 Mini PC 16GB RAM 512GB ROM. The Camar CK1 Mini PC is a powerful and compact desktop computer with a 10th Gen Intel Core i7 10810U processor, 16GB LPDDR RAM, and 512GB M.2 SSD storage. It runs on Windows 11 operating system and supports triple displays at 4K UD resolution. With its enhanced storage capabilities and quick boot-up times, it's perfect for education, home office, media center, digital signage, or Zoom meetings. It also supports Wake on LAN, RTC Wake, and Auto Power On. The compact form factor and VESA mount make it easy to integrate into any workspace. Number 5. NUC 13 Pro NUC 13 Vicky 7 Vivid Canyon for Intel NUC Core i7. Original NUC 13 VIC i7 Pro Genuine Intel NUC Mini PC Kit Intel NUC 13 Vicky 7 Vivid Canyon i7 1E360p Mini PC Kit is equipped with Intel 13th Gen Core i7 1E360p CPU and Intel Iris Z graphics. Need to purchase additional RAM and SSD and install the OS again? Just plug in your monitor, mouse, and keyboard and you're ready to go. Very convenient and fast. Ultra-high efficiency and small, lightweight Intel NUC13 Mini PC comes with an 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro. This compact portable mini PC measures only 117 x 112 x 37 mm. It won't take up space, can be put into pocket or handbags. Upgraded processor. This Intel NUC13 Vicky 7 configuration is our standard mini PC barebone version, which not includes RAM plus SSD featuring an Intel NUC Core i7-18360p processor. Designed for light office and home entertainment, easy to run Office, CAD, PS, PR, AI, Skype, Zoom meetings, surf the internet, and watch stream videos at the same time. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.